Hi, Tech 128. Today I'm going to show you guys the Shoulderpod S1 Pro iPhone grip. All right, so what is this thing? It is a filmmaker handle, a tripod mount, and a traveler stand for your iPhone. So I have an iPhone 6 here. You use the S1 as a handle to stabilize your iPhone when you're shooting video. You can attach this to a tripod for taking photos or shooting video, and you can use this as a traveler stand. Let's open this up and take a look at what's in the box. All right, so some writing on the inside of the cover. We design and craft, okay, a bunch of marketing. And then we have, this looks like the actual S1 clamp. This looks like the strap. And then I guess this is the handle. And this has some weight to it. This is actually pretty heavy. And then it looks like under the foam, you can pull this up. They invite you to tell your story on Twitter at #Shoulderpod. I'm going to put that box to the side there, put the foam to the side there, and it looks like there's instructions in several different languages. So 6 steps: open, place your smartphone in it, close, turn, tight, and then make sure your device is held in place tightly. This looks like it's just telling you to go to the website to learn more. That looks like it's 2-year warranty. All right, so none of that's all that interesting. All right, so here's the S1. You turn this screw counterclockwise, and this makes the opening bigger. All right, let's see if that's big enough. Not quite yet. So you put your phone in here. Now I have my iPhone, this is an iPhone 6, and if you want to put it so that the clamp is not over the buttons. Now you can tighten this down until the phone feels secure. That looks like it's in place there, pretty tight. Now it comes with this handle, and I feel like it's a little bit small for a handle, but it's weighted, so it feels very stable. So this will screw into this 1/4-20 mount on the bottom, and then it comes with this handle. It seems like this is a little piece of leather or synthetic leather, and then a cloth or some kind of cloth strap. And this would fit over here like this, and that screws on there like that. Now you can take this and put it around your wrist, and you're ready to make videos. I think you can see that it's pretty stable. I did a review of another product in the past called the Glyph, and I like the Glyph for taking photos, but I didn't find it to be all that stable for doing videos. I was always worried that the phone was going to come flying out when moving it around, and that's why I picked up this Shoulderpod S1. All right, so I'm going to take the iPhone out of here. A little bit more. I'm not sure exactly how big a phone you could get in here. I'm going to, if I can loosen this more. That's pretty big. Feels a little loose at that point. This is a Google Nexus 6, which is a much bigger phone than the iPhone 6, just to give you some perspective. And let's see if we could put the Nexus 6 in here as well. Still would need to be opened up a little more. Tighten that down. So it looks like the Nexus 6 fits in the Shoulderpod S1, but it looks bowed. It's sturdy. So I don't know if I would use it with the Nexus 6, but that's a much bigger phone than the iPhone. I don't have an iPhone 6 Plus, which would be nice to see how it would fit with that. All right, so I'm going to take this out of here. I guess you should hold the phone while you're taking it out. So that's enough to get it out. So the insides of this thing have a smooth rubber, kind of soft padded coating on it or feel to it. And your phone kind of fits into the angle or groove in there. All right, so what else could I tell you about this? All right, well, it was $34.90, which is a little bit expensive compared to some of the other mounts you see out there, but I wanted something stable because I don't want to send my very expensive iPhone flying off while I'm making videos with it. All right, so this is for use as a filmmaker handle, and then you can also use this as a tripod mount. So what you would do is take the handle off. Give me a minute. All right, so here is a Manfrotto style quick release plate that a lot of quick release tripod heads used, and you can see you could screw that to the bottom, or here is a mini ball head with a 1/4-20 mount on the top, and the handle, you can screw the shoulder pod into that and angle the ball head however you want to use it. Like if you wanted to put it on the end of a stick or monopod. So there's a lot of different ways you could use this. Okay, so finally the third way they said you could use this is as a travel stand or traveler stand. Let's see if we can make it look like the picture. So I could hold my phone up like that. I also showed it turned on the edge, so you could use it like that. Seems to me, though, that if you were going to use this as a travel stand, you probably don't want to use it oriented like this or oriented like this. You probably want to use it like oriented like that if you're watching video, or you'd want to use it oriented horizontally so that you could watch a video. So I don't think that's very useful. All right, well, I guess that's going to be it for this video. This is the Shoulderpod S1 iPhone Pro grip. It is a filmmaker handle, tripod mount, and traveler stand for your iPhone. I think it will work with some other smartphones as well. It was $34.90, a little bit expensive, but it is definitely a quality made product. So I'm going to try it out and see how I like it. I'll leave a link to the product below if you're interested in buying. All right, that's going to be it for this video. If you found it useful, give it a like on YouTube. If you want to see more videos from me, subscribe to the Tech128 YouTube channel. If you have any comments or questions, you can leave them below, or better yet, head on over to tech128.com and leave a reply there. Thanks for watching.